Tongue twisters for rappers. I'm not a rapper, but articulation and enunciation is important for actors as well. She stood on a balcony inexplicably mimicking his hiccuping and amicably welcoming him home. She stood on a balcony inexplicably mimicking him hiccuping and amicably welcoming him home. Okay. There was a fisherman named Fisher who fished for some fish in a fissure till a fish with a green pulled the fisherman in. Now they're fishing the fissure for fisher. Right. There was a fisherman named Fisher who fished for some fish in a fissure till a fish with a green pulled the fisherman in. Now they are fishing the fissure for fisher. How much camel can a canny cannonball cram in a camel if a canny cannonball can cram caramel in a camel? How much caramel can a canny cannonball cram in a camel if a canny cannonball can cram caramel in a camel?